Easy way to find a vacuum leak.
Rolling, rolling, keep rolling, 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 keep rolling, 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 rolling. You don't wanna mess with the biscuit? Yeah, can't mess with the biscuit. Why? Cause we get it on every day and every night. Get this platinum thing right here. We're doing it all the time. So you better get some better beats and get some better rhymes. We got the game set, so don't complain. Yeah, 24/7, never begging for a rain check. Old school soldiers blasting out the hot shit, that rock shit, putting bounce in the mosh pit.